Hey guys, what's going on? MassGFX here, and today I'm going to be covering another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to go about creating this very simple but very neat lightning bolt effect. Now there are quite a few tutorials up on this, however I have not found a tutorial that shows you guys on how to go about creating the multi-color effect as you see here. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I only have, basically for my background here, I'm just using a selection of different gradients to help enhance the lightning bolt overall effect. So what we're going to do start off is create a new document. You can use any width and height. I'm just going to be using 1920 by 1080 in pixels. To start off, we're going to create a new layer. We're going to head over to our gradient tool. Make sure we have our linear option selected with the original black to white fade. And then you want to go over to the left hand side of your document. While holding down your shift key, you just want to click and drag all the way over, and it basically just creates a solid flow all the way through. Alright, now the next step, you want to head under Filter, Render, and then Difference Clouds. And as you can see from here, we basically have the very rough outline of our lightning bolt. Now this is where we're going to go ahead and turn it into the actual white color. So we're going to go under Image, Adjustments, and then first of all we're going to head over to Invert. And that's basically just inverting the colors, and it kind of, as you can see, took away from the entire lightning bolt effect. But here's how we're going to fix that. Once again, we're going to head under Image, Adjustments, and this time we're going to head over to our Levels option. Now what this will basically do for us is, as you can see, we have three different options here: black, gray, and white. So to start off, we're going to just take our middle gray and just drag it over. And as you can see, the more we go over, it starts to fade out much of the grays within the image. And then if you want to continue doing that to where you just have the lightning bolt by itself, we can head over to our black cursor and then just drag this over even further, like so. And basically just play around with it until you find something that suits your needs. So we can go ahead and click OK. Now from here we basically just want the lightning bolt effect. We don't need all the little smoke and the extras in the background. So we can easily just use our eraser tool. I'm using a soft edge brush. You can use any pixel size. And then we can basically just erase away here what we don't want and just keep what we do. So I'm going to go ahead and just stick around this middle area. I don't really need too much of the side stuff. And then once you have something pretty basic like that, a very rough outline, we go ahead and throw our lightning bolt effect into our document like that. Alright, now this is where we're going to go ahead and create the multicolor effect and also show you guys on how to blend this in and get the most out of what you're doing. So first of all, we're going to head over our blend modes here. And as you can see, there's various options. Now I would recommend either using screen, overlay, or soft light. However, you can variate through all of these to get different effects. So as you can see, with the screen on, basically we just have the lightning bolt and it got rid of all the extra black and grays on the sides. So let's go ahead and create the multicolored effect that I was showing you guys. So first of all, we're going to create a new layer. We're going to go in between these layers by holding down our Alt key or Command key, and you'll see a little thumbnail pop up. Just go ahead and click that. And what that did is basically just create a clipping mask from our layer 6 to our layer 5. Alright, now from here we can head back to our brush tool. And we want to make sure you can either use a hard edge or a soft edge. It's all personal preference. And I'm going to go ahead and just select out some colors here. So for example, I'm just going to use a hot pink, and we can put this on the bottom. And as you can see, we're just brushing over this. Next, we can go ahead and select like a neon green. And don't worry about if it's all over the place right now, guys. That will be fixed very soon. So what we're going to do now is just select a third color. I'm just going to go with like a light turquoise here, and just brushing over until the entire thing is completely covered. Alright, now here's the easiest step. All you have to do to blend it into your lightning bolt is go under your blend modes here and select color. As you can see, we basically just blended in our purple neons colors, and it's just within the lightning bolt. Now if you wanted to kind of get better visuals, as you can see, if you're within lightened areas, it will kind of decrease the amount of exposure to the lightning bolt itself and just give you different various effects. And if you're curious about how I did the last one, as you can see here, I just basically created this cool design. All I did for that was just, if you want to, select both of these layers, right click, head over to duplicate layers, and then all you need to do is hit Control T to transform, right click, and then I just hit rotate. You can either rotate 180 or flip horizontal. And as you can see, we get a pretty neat pattern here if we select all of them and move it to the middle. There you go, guys. I just figured you guys would enjoy this tutorial. It's very simple, but also it can just be very useful within your documents and whatever work that you're doing. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please remember to rate the video, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you think it deserves. But other than that, guys, take it easy.